Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Factory design pattern in Java. The factory design pattern is a creational pattern used to create objects without specifying the exact class of the object that will be created. It defines an interface for creating an object but allows subclasses to alter the type of objects that will be created. This pattern is particularly useful when you have a complex object creation process, or when you want to abstract the instantiation process. ### Key concepts. 1. Product, the interface or abstract class defining the type of object created. 2. Concrete product, the classes that implement the product interface. 3. Factory, the interface or abstract class that declares the factory method. 4. Concrete factory, the classes that implement the factory method to create concrete products. ### Real-time example, shape factory. Let's consider a real-world scenario where we want to create different shapes, circle, rectangle, and square, using a factory. This is a common use case where the client code doesn't need to know the details of object creation. ### Step 1, define the product interface. ### Step 2, create concrete products. ### Step 3, create the factory class. Step 4, using the factory. Explanation of the example. 1. Shape interface, this interface defines the method draw, that all shapes must implement. 2. Concrete classes, circle, rectangle, and square are concrete implementations of the shape interface, each providing its own implementation of the draw method. 3. Shape factory class, this class has a method getShape, that takes a string as an input and returns the corresponding shape object. This abstracts the creation logic from the client code. 4. Client code, in the factory pattern demo class, we create a shape factory object and use it to get different shapes without needing to know the details of their instantiation. ### Benefits of the factory design pattern. Encapsulation of object creation, the client code does not need to understand the details of how objects are created. Flexibility, you can easily introduce new product classes without changing the client code. Loose coupling, the client code is decoupled from the concrete classes of the objects it creates. ### Conclusion. The factory design pattern provides a way to encapsulate the creation of objects, allowing for greater flexibility and maintainability in your code. This pattern is widely used in real-world applications, from GUI frameworks to game development, where object creation can become complex and varied.